Most woodworkers spend years fighting their tools, wrestling warped cuts, babying dangerous equipment, and duct taping together solutions that barely work. But a handful of people figured it out. Not because they're more skilled, because they found the right tools. Here are 13 genius woodworking tools on Amazon you'll genuinely wish you'd discovered years ago. Number 13. Shaper Origin. 40 minutes of careful measuring, perfect template setup, then your hand wobbles. Just slightly. Enough to ruin it. That gap between the craftsman you are and the craftsman you want to be? The Shaper Origin was built to close it. It's a handheld CNC router with an onboard camera that reads special tape on your workpiece and tracks its exact position in real time. You follow a path on screen, and the tool automatically micro-corrects your movement to keep cuts dead accurate. Joinery, inlays, hardware pockets, all with CNC-level precision, held in your hands. The Gen 2 adds a 25% larger screen and a rigid all-aluminum unibody. Watching it work for the first time genuinely stops people in their tracks. Number 12. Milescraft GrabberPRO. That quiet panic as your fingers creep toward the blade at the end of a rip cut. Everyone feels it. They just don't talk about it. The GrabberPRO kills that feeling permanently with one clever detail: a retractable heel that hooks onto the back edge of your board and drives it completely through the cut. No letting go early, no hesitation at the danger zone, no kickback waiting to happen. Adjustable legs lock down on the surface, and the grip is serious. It genuinely feels like a fearless, indestructible extra hand on the saw, one that never flinches. Number 11. Rockler Silicone Glue Application Kit. Quick question: what do you actually do with your glue brushes after a project? If the answer involves soaking them, scrubbing dried PVA off the bristles, or quietly dropping them in the bin, there's a much better way. This kit from Rockler, brushes, spreaders, trays, all of it, is made entirely from silicone, and the trick is genuinely satisfying. You don't clean these. Let the glue dry completely, then just peel it straight off in one sheet. Done. It sounds like a small upgrade, but glue application is one of those fiddly, annoying steps that slows every single project down. This kit removes the frustration from both ends, applying and cleaning up, and makes the messiest part of woodworking oddly enjoyable. Number 10. Woodpeckers Precision Woodworking Square. Here's an uncomfortable truth. Most squares eventually go out of alignment. Dropped once, knocked off a shelf, over-tightened. Traditional squares shift, and you won't always notice until a cabinet doesn't close right or a box comes out slightly off. By then, you've already wasted the wood. The Woodpecker 672 is machined from a single block of aircraft-grade aluminum. There are no parts to shift, no joints to loosen, nothing to go out of true. On top of that, the brick-style handle lets it stand upright, hands-free on the edge of a board while you check your assembly. No holding it, no helper. It's not just a square. It's a permanent guarantee of accuracy. Number 9. Matchfit Dovetail Clamps by Microjig. T-Track is great, right up until you price out a full shop build and realize you could have bought a serious new tool instead. There's a smarter move. Matchfit Dovetail Clamps are designed to slide into a standard 14-degree dovetail groove, the kind you can route into any piece of plywood scrap in about 60 seconds with the right bit. That's the whole game. No expensive track system, no hardware store runs, just a groove and a clamp that locks in solid. Every jig you build suddenly becomes modular, adjustable, and infinitely reconfigurable. It's one of those shop upgrades that quietly changes how you approach building fixtures altogether. Once you start routing dovetail slots into things, you genuinely can't stop. Number 8. Bora Centipede Workstand. CK9S. Breaking down full sheets of plywood solo is one of those things that's awkward at best and genuinely risky at worst. Where exactly is the other half of the sheet supposed to go mid-cut? The Centipede answers that question permanently. Pull it open. It locks into a 4x4 foot support surface rated for 3,500 pounds. Collapse it just as fast, folds completely flat. No tools, no assembly, no fuss. Not glamorous. Won't make your Instagram feed. But for solo woodworkers, it silently eliminates one of the most frustrating parts of the job. The kind of tool you forget about until the day you don't have it. Number 7. JessEm Clear Cut Stock Guides. Ever rip a longboard and watch it slowly drift away from the fence, no matter how hard you push against it? That's blade lead. an invisible force that quietly ruins otherwise clean cuts. And most people just compensate by hand without ever solving it. JessEm's clear-cut guides are dual rollers that mount directly to your table saw fence and apply constant pressure against the board at a slight inward angle. They run on one-way needle bearings, so the wood moves forward freely, but physically cannot drift sideways. It's essentially autopilot for your rip cuts. Set them up once, and your fence does its job the way it was always supposed to. Perfectly every single time. Number 6. SUIZAN Japanese Pull Saw, Ryoba. Western saws cut on the push stroke, which means the blade has to be thick enough not to buckle under pressure. That thickness is silently destroying your cut quality, and most woodworkers just accept it as normal. It isn't. The SUIZAN cuts on the pull stroke. The blade stays in tension while cutting, so it can be made dramatically thinner, which means a finer kerf, cleaner edges, and roughly half the physical effort for the same cut. The double-sided Ryoba blade handles both ripping and cross-cutting. For hand-cut joinery, dovetails, and tenons, it's surgical. Use it once, and going back to a push saw feels like cutting steak with a butter knife. Number 5. Bow Products GuidePro. Resawing thin veneers sounds simple until the blade wanders, and you're left with wavy, inconsistent stock that's closer to firewood than furniture material. The GuidePro is a flexible silicone feather board that applies steady, even pressure right at the point of the cut, not inches before it, right at it. It mounts in seconds using a miter slot wedge, no tools needed. The silicone flex naturally compensates for blade lead by absorbing vibration rather than fighting it. The result is resawn stock that comes off the saw smooth and consistent, with none of the chatter marks that send you back to the thickness planer for another pass. It makes one of woodworking's trickiest operations feel almost routine. Number 4. TSO Products, GRR-16. Guide Rail Square. Track saws are incredible, right up until you spend 3 minutes measuring 2 reference points, double-checking your marks, and still end up with a cut that's a hair off square. The track saw is only as accurate as your setup, and setup is where time quietly disappears. The GRR-16 is a CNC machined bracket that clips onto any standard track saw rail, festool, Makita, doesn't matter, and registers it perfectly square to your workpiece edge in one motion. Snap it on, push the rail into position, and cut. 10 seconds flat. It effectively turns your track saw into a portable panel, saw with zero compromise on accuracy. For anyone breaking down sheet goods regularly, this thing pays for itself inside the first project. Number 3. Kreg 7.2 O-Pro Pocket Hole Jig. Pocket hole joinery has a reputation for being fast, but anyone who's used an older jig knows the dirty secret. You're still manually adjusting it for every different board thickness. Measure, dial it in, test cut, readjust. It adds up fast. The 7.2 O-Pro eliminates that with Automax clamping. Drop your board in, and it senses the thickness and adjusts itself. One motion, no dials, no test cuts. Support wings flip out for longer boards, and built-in dust collection keeps things clean. For cabinet builds, furniture frames, face frames, fast, strong joinery with almost zero setup. Number 2. Microjig GRR-RIPPER 2 Go. Here's the problem with most push blocks. They only push forward. And forward alone isn't enough when you're ripping thin stock on a table saw. The GRR-RIPPER applies pressure in 3 directions simultaneously. Downward onto the surface, inward toward the fence, and forward through the cut. The legs straddle the blade itself. The high-friction green material grips the wood firmly, and the pivoting handle keeps your hand in a natural, controlled position from start to finish. Ripping thin stock, arguably the most dangerous thing you regularly do at the table saw, becomes controlled, deliberate, and precise. Once you feel the difference, reaching for any other push block feels like a step backward. Number 1. SawStop Compact Table Saw. Experienced woodworkers go quiet when the table saw injuries come up. Not because it doesn't happen, because it happens fast. It's devastating, and almost everyone in the shop knows someone it's happened to. That silence says everything. SawStop built its reputation on one idea. The blade stops before it touches skin. The system detects the difference between wood and flesh, and fires a brake that halts the blade in under 5 milliseconds. The compact table saw brings that into a portable, hobbyist-friendly package. A rack and pinion fence for accurate rips, and a micro-adjust tilt dial for dialing in bevel angles without the usual back and forth. But the real thing it gives you isn't a feature. It's the removal of that low-grade fear in the back of your head every time you step up to the blade. When that's gone, you work more freely, and woodworking becomes what it was always supposed to be.